Practice Fusion Review 2025. Is it the best free air? Finding a free air that actually works in 2025 can be challenging, but Practice Fusion claims to offer a full-featured solution. Let's see if it delivers. Practice Fusion provides patient scheduling, charting, e-prescribing, and billing all for free. Most people get this wrong. They think free airs are limited, but Practice Fusion offers customizable templates, reporting tools, and even integration with labs and pharmacies. You won't believe what happens next. It also supports telehealth visits, making it easier for practices to manage remote patient care. The platform is cloud-based, meaning you can access it from any device with an internet connection. Setup is straightforward and it's particularly suitable for small practices, solo physicians, or clinics with tight budgets. Some limitations include fewer advanced analytics and automation features compared to premium airs. Customer support may also have longer response times for free users. So, is Practice Fusion the best free air? For small practices looking for a solid, no-cost solution, it's hard to beat. For larger organizations or those needing complex workflows, a paid alternative may be necessary. The surprising truth is that free doesn't mean inadequate. Practice Fusion proved that you can manage patient care efficiently without paying thousands in software fees.